Hi guys, how are you all? Hope you're all well. So welcome back to my channel. So today we've got a challenge binder time and hopefully a reallocation. But first off, we're going to go in to do the scratch to sink first. So we've got £70 here. So we've got 20, 30, 40, 55, 65, 70. So we've got £10 scratch and sink, £20 into my car, and £40 into save to sink. And hopefully we will complete the Survive the Rainbow 5, because I think it only needs like, is it £32? I think. So let's have a look at what we can do. There we go. So there's the money. Right, so what are we doing again? First, scratch to sink. So I put it in here. So that I know that's £10, obviously, because I've got the coins version, so the money will stay in there, and then we log it on here, obviously, until we get a whole number to reallocate. So let's pop that there. Right, so we don't need that one really at the moment. I don't even know what I'm doing. Right, okay. Sorry guys. Right, well, we need the 6-sided dice, don't we? And then we need the death dice. So let's have a look. So we're £10 to go into this one today. So number 6, which is debt. So I have just recently added this on here. So what page we go in is page 1. So we will scratch one off. And it's an 8. So £8 into debt. Let's just write that on here. Debt. So plus 8. Right, so we will roll again just to see where the last £2 is going. And what's that, number 8, which is car MOT. Right, okay. And it's page 3. 1, 2, 3. If I remember rightly as well, we've got to pay £5, haven't we? Well, we haven't got 5, we've only got 2. So I can see there's a 1 there. I'm just gonna cross this one off a minute just to see what it is. It's a 3. Right, okay. Right, so we'll just put the 5 in that, the 1 in, sorry. So car MOT plus 1. Right, so, and then we've obviously got 1 over then, haven't we? Which we're not going to really be able to do. See, it's not going to, I should have got the notes version, I think. I forgot about that as well, that I had to pay the 5. Right, I tell you what I'm going to do, guys. I was cheating now, wasn't I? But so I was scratching these off. Right, we just leave it as that. I need to change that up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this can go in coin exchange. But I have got a 5 in there as well. So we can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, so we need to put 9 into here. although I am doing the car in a minute. I'm just going to leave that on there till I get a round number, because it's just going to confuse me. And then obviously I'll put this pound into Save to Sink as well then, the pound over. And hopefully that is it. I should have got the notes version. Oh, I shouldn't have bothered rolling again after I got 8. So, I don't know. Right, anyway. Where there's a will, there's a way. We'll figure a way out. I'll probably change it up again anyway. Bloody awful for things I got. Changing things all the time. Get ideas in my head, see, I'm awful. Right, so that's that one. So we've done Scratch to Sink. So now we've got a car. So we've got £20 for the car. So there you completed. I could do some of these ones, couldn't I? I think I'll just do the 2 10s. So that's £20 going into the car. So I can add that to the back. Plus 20. So that's now at £4.90. So 20 can go in the tin. So that's that one, and then the remainder then is going into Save to Sink. What the hell? So we've got 10, 25, 35, 41. Right, Save to Sink. So Survive the Rainbow 5 is getting completed regardless. So this can come out. So what did I say we needed? 8, 16, 24, £32. So we need £32 to go in. So I'm going to take 3 out and put 35 in. 10, 20, 35. So then that should be, I think it's 194 if I remember rightly. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 194. So, just do a quick photo of this. That was awful. Change one of them up so I can have them all the same. There we go. There we are. It's £194 into Survive the Rainbow 5. So I'm not going to reallocate the 4. I'm going to put the 4 back because we have obviously put the majority of the money we had into here. So that can go in the back now with Now Let's Party, which is £50 in there. So it should be £240 in total. So we leave that in the back for now. I don't know if I'll do the reallocation in this video. I might do it in another video, just so it's not so long. Right, so what's next? So we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, £13 then. So what I'm going to do is, so So we've got a couple on that one. We've got 10, 20, 35 on that one. And then we've got a few on there. And I don't really want to start any of them until I've completed at least these two. So I'm going to roll a dice for this one. So they're 5s and 10s. So roll a colour dice. To see. Blue. £5. So total saved 5. So then we can put that into there. So far that has got 10, 20, 30, 45, 55. So again, that only needs now roses or tulips, 5 or 10. Well, that's obviously roses for me. And then £2 for every letter, so that's 10. Colour and say £5 for each icon, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30. So it's another 35 to complete that one. And I think it's 35 in this one, 10, 20, 35, yeah. So another 70 quid to complete them two. And then obviously I can start them. So what I'm going to do, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to put 5 into Balloon Pop, and then we're going to put 3 into Trolls. So we'll mark another 5 off on here. So that now has £30 to go into it. So that means we've got £70 in there. Saved. And then the last 3 is going into Trolls. So let's see if we can do it the right way and pick out the right one. First one, blue. It's £2. So I will have that one. I could just colour it a pink, but I'm not. I'm going to colour it blue. So £2 to go into there. I haven't even got £1 for a troll. So I've got £1 over. Can I put it in any of these? I've got to choose the right heart for that one. And it's not going to be £1 because obviously if I choose 2 reds, then it's going to be £2 for that. Eliminate 18 is no go. £1, I could technically colour a yellow in on that one. Can't do that one really. And these are £1 each as well. So I could either do one of them. Right, if I roll a yellow, we'll do this one. If not, we'll do pink, the rose is red. Yay! Come on! Yellow. Awesome. No, really, because I should have rolled a 1 to 6 dice, shouldn't I? Oh, they're all the colours anyway, aren't they? Orange, purple, red. Oh, they're all the same colours as a colour dice anyway. So don't worry. Right, so £1 then going in here, and it's for a yellow. So I'm going to colour in I'm going to colour in one of the sprinkles for £1. So that starts that one off. Like I said, I know I didn't want to start them, but it saves me cheating, doesn't it? So that is done, guys. So to reallocate now, which I will do in a next video, we have got, I think, £240. So we will double check. $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70, $80, $91, $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70, $80, $92, $10, $15, $20, $25, $30, $35, $40, $240. So I'm thinking £100 of this I'm thinking to put into my car, and then the other 140 then can go into the funds reallocator. So I think that sounds like a plan. So I leave this out because I am going to record it next. So thank you for watching, guys, and like I said, I will put the reallocation video up after this one. So speak to you soon. Bye.